Бәріңе сәлем. Бүгінгі видео топ 3 мектеп жанындағы дорамалар жайында болады.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Cause I don't fucking care at all. You've been out all night, I don't know where you've been. You're slurring all your words, not making any sense. But I don't fucking care at all. Cause I have hella feelings for you. I act like I don't fucking care, like they ain't even there. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are. Cause you're not here, it's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night.
Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way, yeah. But you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of it, even if it takes all night or 100 years. Need a place to hide, but I couldn't find one. It wouldn't feel alive outside. I can't find